Yes, class, good morning. Today we will discuss your problem solving of the exercise 7.9. This is a definite integrals parts. Today the second part of this exercise. Question number 1 to 11 already solved in the part first. Today I am taking question number 12 in part 2. Question or function here given x square dx, or you have no any identity of the cos square x, directly you find the integration of this. So first of all, this cos square x you convert in, yes, break down in this simplest form. Yes, first cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. This is the identity of the cos square x, and this cos square x convert in the breakdown the simplest cos x. So means this minus 1 transposing in this side, cos 2x plus 1, and this 2 come in the divide in what we are left only cos square x. What value of the cos square x? Cos 2x plus 1 upon 2. Now solution start here, 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. This is the equal to integration. You can write here 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, you can write here cos 2x plus 1 upon 2 and dx. First of all, square, you will break down the square, you will break down the square in the simplest form of the cos, because you have no any identity of the cos. You can directly find the integration of these questions. First of all, you break down the cos square x in simplest form of cos. You get this. Then you will taking to outside here. What is left here? 0 to pi by 2 cos 2x plus 1 dx. Then you integrate very simple things here. The integration of cos ax dx. This is simple thing here, sin ax upon a. Any number here coefficient of the x, then you write divide by the here the coefficient of the x at a, then divide by a. Suppose here coefficient of the b, then divide by b. Same things here. 1 upon 2 cos 2x means sin 2x upon 2 plus 1 is x. Are using the limit 0 to pi by 2. Here limit here 0 to pi by 2, the limit will be same thing. After that, using the limit, then 1 by 2 here, or 1 by 2, one more, or 1 by 2 here to 1 by 2 here, sin 2x, sin 2 into pi by 2 plus pi by 2 here using here, minus 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 is the second portion. This 1 by 2 not single only positive. This is the complete one. This is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 I using the sin 0. Sin 2 into 0 minus and plus 0. What will you come here? This will be cancelled here. What is left? Sin pi. A value of this sin 0 equal to 0, then sin pi also is 0. Means 1 by 2 into 0 plus pi by 2 minus 1 by 2, and this is just 1 by 2 sin 0 into 0 and 0. 2 into 0 to 0. Value of sin 0 is 0, and this is already 0 here. So what is left here? This into 0, and this is a pi by 4. This answer, your final answer here pi by 4. This also here, both here 0, then result. This portion is 0, this portion here only multiplying in pi by 4, and this portion also here 0. According to this way, you will break down the cos square, या any sin square, या any tan square, you break down the simplest form. Then you will be integrate, and then you find using the limit, and then find the answer. So very simple things here, very simple things. You have to note down it. Yes class, next question I am taking question number 15. This is a different type question of important questions. Question here, limit here 0 to 1 and x, here two function. One is x, a second is the e exponent x square. Two function here. So how to solve in this type questions? You have directly not solved the e exponent x square. Not directly not solving here. Here two function. Then you will be substitute the value of the x square any other variables, t, या p and q, any other variables. But when you substitute the value of the definite integral, the limit also change. In this question you will learn two things: how to change the limits and how to substitute of the values here. Yes, now look here. Solution: I equal 0 to 1 x e exponent x square dx. First of all, you will be put the x square equal to t, then you differentiate here dA 2x dx equal to dt, and then value of the dx equal to dt over 2x. Important part. This is the simple things. This is the this portion you have already solved in the indefinite integrals. Substitution method is the same. But here important things, for when you substitute the any variables, then limit also change. How to change the limit? Now, change limit. Here when a variable is x equal to 0, lower limit. When x equal to 0, lower limit. X equal to 0 means lower limit. 4 lower limit. X equal to 0. When x equal to 0, the t equal to 0. 0 का square means 0. The value of the t here 0. When x equal to 4 upper limit के लिए for x equal to 1, upper limit here x equal to 1, so then you are putting value of the t equal to 1 का square is equal to 1, the value of the t equal to 1. Here lower limit 0 or upper limit here 1. Up then you will write in the form of here I equal 0 to 1 x e exponent x square dx. This will be converted. So 0 place you write the already 0 here, lower limit. Upper limit 1 place you write here 1. Upper limit here 1, then after changing also is 1. Then x place e exponent t, and what is the value of the dx? The dx value here dt over 2x. This x will be cancelled here, 1 by 2 taking outside, integration 0 to 1 e exponent t dt. You know e exponent t. This is e exponent t. And integration of e exponent t here, same e exponent t. This is this x and this x will be cancelled. What is left here? E exponent t and dt. And limit here same here. Limit here when you after changing the limit is not changed, same here. The 0 place is 0, 1 place is 1. So then sometimes is changes or sometimes is not changed. But you will complete your process. Sometimes it changes. Then what value of this e exponent t and 0 1. Integration of the e exponent t and putting here. Then using the limit here 1 by 2 here outside, or e exponent 1 minus e exponent 0. E exponent 1 you will putting the value of t here in place of t is 1 and 0. So first you will put in the 1 and then so this e exponent 1 means 1 or minus e exponent 0 means 1. So this is your final answer. This is your final. Any variable having suppose 2x exponent 0, this is value 1, e exponent 0, this is value, 2 exponent 0 is value. Every number having exponent is 0, then value is 1. So value e exponent 0 means 1. E exponent 1 means 1 e. 1 by 2 outside. This is your final answer of this question. In this questions. According this way, for suppose any in this type question, then you will substitute the value of this and differentiate, change the limit. First you change the lower limit, then upper limit, and then using these two limits here. These two limits you will using here 0 and 1. And x will be cancelled here. What is left? E exponent t at the 1 by 2 outside, and then you calculate and find the answer. Yes, it's not down. Then next question. Yes, student, next question I am taking the very important question, same exercise at question number 16, 5x square upon x square plus 4x plus 3. First of all, you check this question here in proper form. You will convert this question in the first proper form, then you will solve the next. Yes, now you x square plus 4x plus 3, you will divide this 5x square. So how many times you divide it? 5 times. So 5x square minus plus 5 4 is 20x and plus 5 3 is 15. What is left here? Minus sign change. This will be cancelled. So minus 20x minus 15. It's this. You will write this question in this form. 5x square upon x square plus 4x plus 3 in this form. 5 plus minus 20x minus 15 upon x square plus 4x plus 3. After that you can write 5 taking minus 5 common. So taking minus 5 common, you have to minus sign. 5 20x plus 15 upon x square plus 4x plus 3. So the minus sign taking a common here, this plus converting into minus. The rest will be same things. So this is the improper form, this is your proper form. After that you will using your integration sign. And you will factorize of this also here. So now x square plus 4x plus 3, what factor of this? X square plus 3 plus 1x plus 3. So this here x square plus 3x plus x plus 3, and then x square x plus 3 and plus 1 x plus 3. What is left here? X plus 1 and x plus 3. This is factor of this portion. So now you will be write this portion here. So this portion you will, what value of the integration of this? Integration of 1 to 2 5x square upon x square plus 4x plus 3. This question you can write in this form. This question you can write in this form. What you write in this form? Integration 1 to 2 5 minus 20x plus 15 upon x square plus 4x plus 3 and dx. Means this question you can write first proper form. This is the improper form. First you will write convert this the proper form, then you will be integrate and then you will using the limits. Again you will be write here 1 to 2 5 dx minus, taking minus 5 here common, integration 1 to 2, what is left here? Here left only 5 4 is 20x or 5 3 is 15 upon x square, and this factor of this portion, what factor of this portion? This x plus 1 and x plus 3. Look here, you will taking the 5 common from here. The 5 is common here, and factor of this portion here, I already find out factor of this portion. So this you can solve separate way, then putting a value here, then you get the answer. So yes, what is the limit here? 5x, and you will get the value of here 1 to 2, minus 5, one more 5 here, 1 to 2, 4x plus 3, and x plus 1 and x plus 3 dx. When you are after solving this using the limit here, 5 to the 10, 5 1 the 10, the only left here 5, minus 5 using 1 to 2, 4x plus 3 upon x plus 1 and x plus 3 and dx. This question is a very important question. Why is it important? Because first question here given form is improper form. First you will be divide the long division method, then convert in the proper form. After that you will be find the factor of this, many work in this question, then you find the factor of this according this way. So this is the factor of this denominator, then you write this question in proper form. How to write in the proper form? This is the proper form. Then you segregate this portion and this portion, segregate it. This is the 5 only, this is the taking here 5 also common here 5. So this 5 here which you taking common, this is this 5, or this 5 already are you this 5. So you are integrate of this, and integration means also segregate on integration also here this. So when you are using the limit of this portion, so 5 to the 10 means 5 into 2 minus 5 into 1, so 10 minus 5, the result here 5. I am already write here the 5 according this way. And this portion you will solve the partial fraction form. This is right, that you look this portion, this is a partial fraction form. So you will be solve this according to the partial form. So now you make this equation is the equation first. This is the integration I. Let 4x plus 3 upon x plus 1 and x plus 3 equal a upon x plus 1 and b upon x plus 3. After that you will using to how to solve this portion, you will using the partial form, using the partial form of this identity, and then solve it. So then your 4x plus 3 equal to a upon x plus 3 and plus b upon x plus 1 according this way. X plus 3 and x plus 1. Denominator portion will be cancelled. This denominator and this denominator will be cancelled. So what is left? This portion is left. Then you will be using, what value are you using here? You suppose you are using a value x equal to minus 1. If x equal to putting minus 1, what value will come here? Minus 4 plus 3 equal to a minus 1 plus 3 and b minus 1 plus 1. The result here come 1 minus 1, and here result come 2a. This portion is 0. That means result of the a equal minus 1 by 2. What result will come here? Minus a, value of the a is minus 1 by 2. Similarly, you are putting a value x equal to minus 3, then you get the value of the second constant b. Yes, you note down it, then you will solve next part of this. Yes, you have already got the value of the constant value a, then you find the value of b. So now, if x equal minus 3, then putting the value here minus 3, the minus 12, 4 3 ja minus 12 minus 3, 4 3 ja minus 12 and plus 3, you will get here a minus 3 plus 3 and b minus 3 plus 1. This is the 3 minus 3 plus 1. So then you will get your value minus 9 equal to your 0 and your value here minus 2b. What result will be? then value of the b here minus 9 equal to minus 2b. This minus will be cancelled. Value of b equal to 9 by 2. Value of b equal to 9 by 2. The value of the a and b you will put in here, and then you will be integrate it. Now integration of 1 to 2, 4x plus 3 upon x plus 1 and x plus 3. So this will be converted here. What value of the a? Minus 1 by 2 upon x plus 1, integration of 1 to 2, and value of the b here 9 by 2 upon x plus 3 and dx. Then you segregate this and then you integrate it. Minus 1 by 2, 1 upon x plus 1 dx 1 to 2 plus 9 by 2, 1 to 2, 1 upon x plus 3 dx. Integrate of this, minus 1 by 2, this will be log x plus 1, and then you will putting 1 to 2 plus 9 by 2 log x plus 3, then here also 1 to 2. Separate integration. This log x plus 1, log x plus 3 are here, 9 by 2 outside here, minus 1 by 2 outside. Then using the limit here, what will be here? Minus 1 by 2, then 2 to 2, log 2 plus 1 3, log 2 plus 1 3, and minus log 1 plus 1 2. Same thing here, plus 9 by 2. Using the limit here also, 3 plus 2 here 5, and minus log 1 plus 3 plus 1 4. This is the mod sign. This is the mod 5. This is the mod 4. This is the mod 2. This is the mod 3. Don't write here 1. Mod 3. This is the mod sign. So then, when you using the upper limit, 2 plus 1 is 3, and when using the 2 plus 1 plus 1 2, then using here 2 plus 1 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, and 1 plus 3 is 4. So then you will be calculating. You note down this, then you will be and putting the value after that in the equation first, then you will get the complete answer. Just note down it first. Yes, student. After that, you will write this step here. Minus 1 by 2 log 3 by log, taking 3 by 2 here log, because m minus n log m upon n, and plus 9 by 2 to log 5 by 4, this portion and this portion like in this form. After that, you will be write this portion from equation first. From equation first. So this is the equation first. You will putting the idea I equal. This is the final answer. 5 minus this 5 is outside. 5 multiplying the whole number here, minus 1 by 2 log 3 by 2 plus 9 by 2 log 5 by 4, and this will be closed. So 5 minus here plus, this will be 5 by 2 log 3 upon 2, plus minus and minus 45 by 2 log 5 by 4. This is your answer. So this is your complete answer. This is your answer. आप multiplying 5 both lawyer. When you multiply here, minus minus here plus, when plus minus here minus, the 9 5 the 45 by 2 log 5 by 4. This is your final answer. Yes, according this way, in this type, this is a very important question. First you will question is given the improper form. First you will convert in the proper form. Then after you find the factor of the denominators, then you will write it in this form. After that you will segregate of this portion, then integrate of the first part, and then this is the second part. So this part you solve according to partial fraction. So using their part of the partial fraction accordingly, then find the value of the constant a and b, then putting your integrate, then you find the answer. This is the final answer of this. So this in this type question is very important question, and in this type question comes the 6 marks question. Yes, note down it.